Hi guys, hope you all are doing fine. Information Commissioner वाला passage है ये. Something in the UK. Okay. The Information Commissioner, the UK's data protection regulator, concluded क्या है? Cambridge Analytica. What is it about? We don't know. So ऐसे देख लेते हैं ना, just trying to kind of locate the hero. In the 2016 US election, something happens. Scholar writes about technological solutionism. अच्छा कुछ टेक्नोलॉजिकल सोल्यूशनिज्म. व्हाट इज दैट टेक्नोलॉजिकल सोल्यूशनिज्म? फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल रीडिंग आई नो वी टेंड टू थिंक दैट द सोल्यूशन टू एवरी क्राइसिस इज टेक्नोलॉजी. ऐसा है. तो ये कुछ दिखा मुझे. देन देयर आर लीगल एंड एथिकल कंसर्न्स अबाउट हाउ माइक्रो टारगेटिंग इज यूज्ड अक्रॉस द पॉलिटिकल स्पेक्ट्रम. पॉलिटिकल स्पेक्ट्रम में माइक्रो टारगेटिंग कैसे हो सकती है? जैसे यू नो लाइक you have voters, you kind of decide unko, like for every little thing you have this micro control, micro targeting. So that is based on algo, your technological advancement, है ना? कुछ ऐसा है. Facebook talks a lot about bad actors. Okay, ये भी technological something Facebook addresses. So we can see the author brings it down to Facebook something something. और भी है. These companies, okay, these companies have voracious appetites. This raises questions that need answers. Increasingly powerful tech giants. Okay, understood. So this is about technological solutions, and there are ethical and moral concerns regarding those. तो हम पहले ये देखते हैं questions क्या है. Which of the following, if true, would not undermine one or more arguments presented by the author? Not undermine है. Not undermine बोले तो देखो, 3 would undermine. राइट पहले तो डिकोड करना बहुत जरूरी. अंडरमाइन अंडरमाइन अंडरमाइन. द वन दैट डज नॉट अंडरमाइन कैन बी स्ट्रेंथन और न्यूट्रल. ये वी आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस. ओके, then which of the following ideologies can be inferred to get the maximum support based on the author's view? What would he support? Neoliberalism या cultural nationalism या technological, जो कुछ भी है. This should be a doable question. Which of these captures the central point of the author? So main idea. Which of the following would be the least likely title? So title, 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 not title. ये हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Okay, 4 questions हैं इसके. Now, after checking the questions, I know one thing for sure, that I really do not need to read the entire passage. It's a very long passage. If I start making that mistake of getting into the passage and reading everything word for word, I am just going to waste my time, right? So I need to take out the main idea and the flow by checking the first line of every para. Be there with me. I'll show you exactly how to handle such a passage, all right? The Information Commissioner, ICO, the UK's data protection regulator. Who is he? He is this. Has concluded its long-running investigation into Cambridge Analytica. Looks like a company, right? As had been expected by many, this found no smoking gun. Despite concerns about its data practices, the short-lived political consultancy ended up functioning as a distraction. But there are still real reasons to be concerned about the impact of tech companies, notably Facebook, on our democracy, confront the surveillance business model, central position in digital society, and the power. Finished. It's such an easy to understand para. So Cambridge Analytica is investigation into this. So Cambridge Analytica is something, you know, short-lived political consistency, and iska practices and all. People were like, I mean, there was a probe into it, but this found no smoking gun. People were expecting this. Despite concerns, the short-lived this ended up functioning as a distraction, all fine, but then the author comes up with his viewpoint. He says there are still reasons to be concerned about the tech companies' impact. He gives Facebook ka example, and he brings in 2 paragraphs later. And he says it has an impact on our democracy. Surveillance business models, number 1, central position in digital society, number 2, and the power that they wield over the society, that is number 3. Cool. After this, I really am going to skim. In the 2016 US elections, Cambridge Analytica used commonplace okay adverts involvement. नहीं पढ़ रही मैं क्या किया उसने, अगर उस पे question होगा आके देख लूंगी. Despite the temptation, any Russian connection. ये नाम देख लो आप, मतलब जो न्यू वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, just keep those things in mind. UKIP membership data, okay. The scholar Morozov writes about technological solutionism. We should know what this means. Where problems with complex this are claimed to have simple solutions, technological solutions. Kind of inversion in 2016, and then I'm not reading Snake Oil, something US. So this para talks about technological solutionism. Give some example from 2016. There are legal and ethical concerns, okay, political spectrum, all right, I'm skimming it. Indeed, there was a part of Trump's, nahi padna hai. Legal and ethical concerns hai. To do anything at all, Facebook gives you all the tools itself. Now he comes down to Facebook and Facebook. मत पढ़ो Facebook and Facebook because Facebook पे जो भी question होगा हम आ जाएंगे तब पढ़ लेंगे. Talks a lot about this. Biggest bad actor is Facebook itself. Disinformation, tinkered, does little to seriously address. कोई problem को address नहीं करता है. Addresses symptoms rather than causes because its problems are its DNA. ये फेसबुक की बुराई की है इसने, but Facebook is not the only company. Surveillance capitalism. Take this as you read along. The dominant way of making money, you should know the meaning of capitalism as a CAT aspirant, okay? And surveillance to shuru mein diya. These companies do what? They have this surveillance thing on consumers so that they can sell more by knowing their psychological inclinations. Is the dominant way of making money from the internet. The web is now a global surveillance machine. Okay, समझ में आ गई ये बात. These companies, अब सारे companies को लेके he is saying voracious appetites. क्या करेंगे वो company? Obviously profit motive, है ना? Trying to keep users engaged with their platforms. Algo. Corrosive. Okay, as a result, some platforms systematically recommend disinformation, गलत information, propagate biases. Conspiracy theories, white supremacism and neo-Nazism and are ripe for manipulation. इनकी वजह से ये होता है, ये author कह रहा है. This raises questions that need answers. Surveillance, okay, ये हमें चाहिए. Overblown, real problems with the power, okay, सब वही power का कह रहा है. Okay, political advertising will be banned on its platform, but these should not be their decisions. Private companies prioritizing profit shouldn't be left to regulate. ये खत्म. उसका suggestion भी समझ आ गया. He asks for regulation, but these companies should not be allowed to regulate the political processes, our political processes, because that impacts our democracy, right? And then he comes down to this last para. I think this is last year. Yes, these are private businesses and they are fundamental to our digital society. Interventions are needed. He wants regulation, he wants intervention. We need to address this, the widespread power of platform companies. Behavioral advertising should be banned. Behavioral advertising generally is praised by people, and economists are turning more and more to this behavioral economics, behavioral advertising. But then our author says no, it should be banned. Other less damaging forms are available. Algo platforms used to recommend, okay, they should be heavily regulated. Responses, okay, sorely needed. All in all, he says regulation is needed, intervention is needed. Kaun karega? Don't leave it to these companies only. So obviously the government is needed in the center. Now, in this passage, he's giving a recommendation. So in case there's a main idea question, your main idea answer should have the recommendation too. Okay, so we are done with this passage. Very easy to understand. The flow is great. Okay. Now, first I would like to go to this central point. Digital space is controlled by business interests of tech companies that need regulation. I like this. Okay. Then, new digital technology is the root cause. It contains only the problem. Eliminate. Facebook is not serious. This is narrow. Facebook is just an example. Eliminate it. Technology in and of itself is neutral. Too broad. अरे यार technology से related क्या बात कर रहे हो? मुद्दा क्या है? So digital space controlled by business interests, profit motives of tech companies. So we need regulation. Everything is included here. Question 3 का A is good and justified. Hope this is clear. Then I would like to go to this. बहुत ही cool, doable question लग रहा है मुझे. Inferred to get the maximum support from the author based on arguments. Okay, neoliberalism. सबसे पहला ये maximum support from the author. Which one of the following would the author support based on his views in the passage? ये है simple language में question. ठीक है? So would the author support this? No way. No, because technological determinism. What is determinism? Determinism is everything has cause and effect. Oh, technological kana, there is a cause, there will be an effect. So everything is fixed. You can't change it. No, he wouldn't want to go with that. He says we need regulation. Cultural nationalism, रखते हैं इसको. Neoliberalism, he would not go with that. Why? Because neoliberalism में there would be freedom for these companies to do what they want. No, he wants regulation based on the last para. So between this and this, we can easily understand this should be the answer. Why? Because socialism का meaning होता है there is a regulating body in the center, that is the state, the government. That is exactly what he wants. So this is justified as your answer. Okay, then we go over to this. Which of the following would be the least likely title? तीन होंगे टाइटल, एक नहीं होगा. Behind Cambridge Analytica lay a bigger threat to our democracy, Facebook. Okay, this is confined to 2-3 paragraphs. Still it is connected. The apocalyptic digital world of private tyranny. ये तो होगा ही होगा, right? Because private tyranny, for profit motive, the control that they wield, ये सारी बातें की है इसने, the central position. Apocalyptic, this is kind of, deteriorating more and more. Digital world, this is fine. Business interest and not technology is the key digital challenge. Technology is a problem nahi hai. It's actually the business interest, the ulterior motives of these private companies, right? So this can be the title, right? Now, between this and this, behind Cambridge Analytica lay a bigger threat to our democracy, Facebook. Facebook का ज़्यादा focused है, right? So ये रह सकता है, and this will be eliminated because this is too broad to be your title. I mean ये क्या है? Digital technology, boon और bane. What is the angle? Angle इसमें फिर भी आ रहा है. डेमोक्रेसी पे इम्पैक्ट है फेसबुक के थ्रू, फेसबुक और फेसबुक के जैसी कंपनीज के थ्रू. कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका इज गिवन देयर लाइक एज अ मेजर एग्जांपल. सो दिस इज स्टिल कनेक्टेड टू द मेन आइडिया एंड दिस इज टू ब्रॉड. आई मीन ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है स्कूल का हम ऐसे लिख रहे हैं. टीवी बून और बेन, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी बून और बेन. सो दिस शुड बी योर आंसर. ओके, देन बचा कौन सा है हमारा? ये हमने कर लिया. ये बचा है, ये हमने नहीं किया. नहीं किया. अच्छा, राइट. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड नॉट अंडरमाइन. तीन चाहिए हमको जो वीकेंड करेगा, राइट? आर्ग्यूमेंट्स प्रेजेंटेड. अब चलो देखते हैं. द माइक्रो टारगेटिंग ऑफ वोटर्स पॉलिटिकल व्यूज थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स नीड स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजिकल इंटरवेंशंस. माइक्रो टारगेटिंग ऑफ वोटर्स पॉलिटिकल व्यूज थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स need state of the art interventions by the companies. No, this is what he says we don't want. He says over here, ये देखो, mediating okay, algo okay, engage users engaged, और micro targeting का यहाँ दे रखा है. There are concerns about how micro targeting is being done by these companies, so why would he want that? So this is definitely going against it. So this is undermining, right? ये कह रहा है, this option is saying micro targeting चाहिए. Author is saying नहीं चाहिए. There are ethical concerns regarding that, है ना? So this is weakening. Most of the biggest misuses of data through Facebook is linked to Cambridge Analytica. एक जगह I remember Cambridge Analytica का कुछ था दिया हुआ. It's like, although Cambridge Analytica was overblown, it wasn't involved in that big a way as was projected. There are real problems with the power that Facebook and other platform companies hold over this. So Cambridge Analytica is not completely to blame. This is what the author is saying. ठीक है, ठहर जो और भी एक जगह है. हाँ, played only a small role in Trump's campaign. Got it? So here, most of the biggest misuses is linked to Cambridge. This is going against what is given, so this is weakening it. Correct? So ye eliminated between C and D. Self-regulation for private company has been proved to be the most effective regulation. Self-regulation for private company, खुद को खुद से रेगुलेट कर लें. ऑथर वहां नीचे चिल्ला रहा है लास्ट पैरा में, भाई गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन चाहिए, डोंट लीव इट टू देम. ये देखो क्या बोला है यहाँ. ये interventions are needed. We need to address this, the widespread. Okay, at a minimum this. Okay, और यहाँ बोला prioritizing profit shouldn't be left to regulate our political processes. उनका अपना, हाँ, these should not be their decisions. Correct? So self-regulation has been proved to be the most effective. No, this is going against what the author wants. So this is weakening it. And this is eliminated. So D should be your answer. क्या कह रहा है D? The state surveillance is so far a lesser worry than surveillance by big businesses. By state surveillance होगा, but still the author says in the end we want a central authority, we want some regulation, right? So बिग बिजनेस के प्रॉफिट मोटिव से तो कम ही होगा ये, राइट? गोइंग बाय व्हाट इज गिवन इन द पैसेज, द ऑथर इज लाइक कंप्लीटली ट्रबल्ड बाय द प्रॉफिट मोटिव्स ऑफ दीज टेक कंपनीज. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ गोइंग विथ व्हाट द ऑथर इज सेइंग. या अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो चलो न्यूट्रल भी जा सकता, बट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग अगेंस्ट व्हाट ही हैज सेड, right? So weekend नहीं कर रहा. This is indeed your answer and this is completely justified. Hope all the explanations are clear, guys. मुझे इन चारों में कोई भी ambiguity नहीं दिख रही है. आसान क्वेश्चन है एक, जैसे ये वाला. This is easy if you know the meaning of socialism. For those of you who don't know these meanings, nationalism, determinism, neoliberalism, you would not be able to solve this. So मुझे चारों questions doable लग रहे हैं, इनमें कोई ambiguity इतनी नहीं दिख रही है मुझे. और डिजिटल स्पेस, यहाँ पे आई वुड हैव लव टू इम्प्रूव दिस ऑप्शन अगर मेरे पास लाइक चेंज करने का वो रहता है, बट यू नो स्टिल ये चारों में दिस इज द बेस्ट वन एज दिस हैज सोल्यूशन जो मैंने आपको बताया. ठीक है, चलो, आई होप ऑल क्लियर. थैंक यू.